Let's roll it. Left my home, left my ways, leaving Georgia on a midnight train. Well, I know I'll be okay. Born on the water, Chattahoochee raised. There are things that have caught my eye, made me steal low, or made me lie. When I'm standing next to the edge, my mama's words never left my head. She said, son, don't you lose your mission. Son, don't you lose your head. Son, don't you drink that whiskey. Ramblin' man always ends up dead. Ramblin' man always ends up dead. I've known women, there's been a few, keep me going, lonely nights through. In the morning, the only thing they'll do is a Georgia peach, yeah, gonna keep me true. When I'm tired, and I'm feeling low, and I'm down the bottle, with nowhere to go. When I'm standing next to the edge, my mama's words never left my head. She said, son, don't you lose your mission. Son, don't you lose your head. Son, don't you drink that whiskey. Ramblin' man always ends up dead. Ramblin' man always ends up dead.